It's been an absolutely crazy day here on Old Cape Cod. Lots of snow, lots of wind, still windy. It's early afternoon and it's still snowing slightly, but I wanted to take you outside to do the ruler test and see just how bad this storm has been. I've got my ruler here. Let's take a look. Okay, let's see. Whoops, wrong way. There we go. Okay, it's going in. It's going deeper, deeper, deeper. Oh my God. What does that say? It's like 11 inches. That is deep. I'm outside in my driveway. I've got a very long driveway and it's covered in snow. As we could tell earlier from the ruler measurement, 11 inches. And I don't think there's any way I'm going to be able to do this with a shovel. The plowman cometh.